RevenueCat is reshaping how developers monetize their apps. Backed by a fresh $50 million Series C led by Bain Capital Ventures, the startup simplifies in-app subscriptions across iOS, Android, and the web. Here's how it works. RevenueCat offers a single API for billing, analytics, and customer data. No more separate systems per platform. Developers can launch subscriptions, manage paywalls, and track user behavior without building backend infrastructure. Why it stands out. Trusted by over 50,000 apps, like ChatGPT and Notion, RevenueCat processes $8 billion plus in annual transactions. It supports A/B testing, user segmentation, and even virtual currency, making it ideal for AI and gaming apps. With new funding, RevenueCat is scaling up to meet the future of app monetization, giving developers the tools to grow faster, smarter, and with less overhead.